Now, if you're running a custom development agency, your core offer is going to be tailored for each client, because each client is going to have a different problem. And so the solution you offer them is going to be different. And the outcome they achieve from implementing that solution is also going to be different. So technically, the core offer that you would have would change every single time you work with a new client based on their problem, how you will solve their problem, and what outcome they will achieve from you solving their problem. Now, what we'll do is we'll make a very general, broad core offer for custom development agencies based off the solutions that you can actually offer your clients. So as a whole, the solutions you offer as a custom development agency is either AI development, meaning you're building out AI solutions for their problems, or it's AI consulting, where you're trying to talk to them to identify that problem and help them with your AI expertise. And generally what happens running a custom development agency is you will first provide consulting and discovery, meaning you find out, okay, well, this is the problem that we want to solve. And then once you've provided that AI consulting and discovery, then you will send them a proposal saying, okay, well, we'll charge you $20K to build out this solution for you. And then if they say, okay, you'll go out and you'll actually build the project for them with AI automation development services. So these two services go hand in hand. Now, if you're feeling really generous, you can also offer an AI audit. And I'll tell you guys how you can use AI audits to your advantage to make your offer super valuable pretty soon. But if we think about it in terms of these two services, the left-hand service, which is the consulting and discovery, is solving the problem of falling behind from your competitors. Now, it could be solving multiple problems depending on who the client actually is, but generally the reason people want to implement these AI solutions in their business is because they want to make sure that their competitors don't crush them. They want to make sure that they don't fall behind from their competitors because they didn't implement AI. That's the fundamental fear that most business owners have when it comes to implementing AI. And so when you're consulting them, when you're offering them discovery, when you're offering them an AI audit, you're helping them know what is the current capabilities of AI, what should they be implementing inside their business to get the maximum ROI, and how can they ensure that they will beat their competitors when it comes to implementing AI inside their business, inside their industry. So that's the problem that you're solving. The solution that you're offering is going to be discovery, AI strategy building, building out an audit, or just general consulting. And the outcome that they will achieve, or what life would look like afterwards for them, would be that they'll have a clear AI strategy which will help them get the highest ROI from implementing AI so they can beat their competitors. Broadly, that's the problem solution outcome they're achieving from your AI consulting services. Now, when it comes to building out these AI solutions or AI automation development, which is the process of you actually building out that solution on NA10 or whatever platform you decide to use, the problem you're solving is usually inefficiencies inside their business. Inefficiencies being processes that could be done more efficiently if they were AI augmented or if they were AI automated as a whole. So for example, you'd be able to automate someone's administration tasks. So now instead of having to hire an actual admin, they will just get AI to do it at a fraction of that cost, which is much more efficient for their business. So fundamentally, the problem is inefficiency. The solution that you're offering is you'll build out the actual AI automation workflow on NA10 or GHL or whatever platform you decide to use. And the outcome that they'll achieve from having implemented that AI automation solution inside their business would be one of these four. They'll either save time, save money, make money, or reduce some sort of risk inside their business. These four categories are generally the outcomes you'd achieve from implementing AI automation inside your business. You either save time, you save money, you make money, or you reduce some sort of risk. Like you might reduce compliance risk or legal risk or whatever it is. And so broadly, your AI automation development services will solve the problem of inefficiencies by building out AI automation workflows and then allowing your customers to either save time, save money, make money, or reduce some sort of risk. But as I said, the actual core offer that you would have for each customer will be tailored to that customer because that customer has a specific problem which you would have to build a specific solution for. And so the outcome they will achieve would be specific to their scenario. And so I'd recommend building your core offer for each client based off what you found during the discovery phase when you're consulting them. But you can still use these general points here when it comes to marketing your offer, because these are generally still what your services do as a whole. Now what I want you guys to do is I want you to build your one-line core offer. What this is going to look like is it's going to say, I help this person achieve this outcome by this offer. So for example, if you guys are targeting the real estate agency niche, you would say, I help real estate agencies make more money and save time by automating their processes. And as you can see, make more money and save time is pretty broad, and automating their processes is also pretty broad because you guys run a custom development agency and the specific offer will be different per person. But the niche that you're targeting is going to be the same if you guys decided to go custom niche. If you go in custom broad, you might just say, I help small businesses make more money, save time, save money, or reduce risk by automating their business processes. Once you guys have this one-line core offer, I want you to come to the AAA strategy book, write down the problem, write down the solution, and the outcome of your services, and then I want you to write down the one-liner, I help this person achieve this outcome by this offer. This is the core fundamental part of your offer. In the next section, we're going to make this offer irresistible by adding features that will make it a no-brainer for your customer. So as I said, this is just draft number 1, so don't overthink it, just write something and move on.